Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose Edit, and if you are new to my channel, I talked about my career. I'm a seafarer. I share with you guys live vlog and also beauty, in fact everything in between. Just comment on what content you would like me to create for you guys, and definitely I will deliver. So today guys, I want to show you guys how I achieved this look, a faultless braid. As you can see, it's very easy. You can style it anyhow you want. The hair is very pretty, beautiful. Like, I actually made it very long. I love my hair long. I don't know about you, you might get whatever you want. Just watch this video to the end to know how I achieved this look, and I believe you will love it. So guys, this is literally the first hair I made after I disembarked from on board the ship. As you know, on board the ship, I just do something simple that I will feel comfortable, and it will be easy for me to go along with my work. Like when I disembarked, I was on a cornrow. As you can see, I just at the salon I lose the cornrow. After losing the cornrow, I had to wash my hair, dry my hair before I start the braiding of this hair. So guys, this is the first loss I use. Is actually 30 in a pack, and I end up using 4 pack of this first loss crochet for this hair. I wanted something scanty but very long, so you could decide to use more than 4 pack for your hair. You know how you want it, but for me I use only 4. So first of all, this hair, how I achieved the look, my hair was naturally braided, one after the other. All were done one after the other. It wasn't a cornrow, it was just normal and braid and weave braiding. Yeah, normal and braiding one after the other. My hair was done that way, after which with a crochet pin, the fourth loss was now applied, attached to my hair. Guys, look carefully to know how it was done. Very easy. I cannot do it myself, but I know a very good person that knows how to go along with with her hair, can do this alone. It's very easy. You just to put the crochet pin after braiding your hair, put a crochet pin in your head, pull out the fourth loss underneath your hair, after which you lock it in with the end of the other hair. It comes in 2 ends, and just like that you could just continually put your hair in the fourth loss, just like you're seeing now. I didn't want my hair sewn. I didn't want it to be sew or use gum. I wanted something that when I'm losing it, it's going to be very easy for me. So I asked my stylist if she could make this one, and she said yes. So it was just a continuous picking my hair inside the fourth loss, and it hide inside, as you can see. So guys, just as simple as that. This was just the fastest hair I've done so far. Unlike attachment braiding, you have to sit down for hours, like 3 hours if not more, to achieve at a complete full hair attachment. But this hair, funny enough, it was 2 people that did it for me. I didn't spend up to an hour. Within half an hour my hair was done. You can see it was very fast, guys. Like, it was very fast, and I loved my hair. I didn't want it very full, so I used 2 pack. As you can see, my length is very long, and this is not the natural length the fourth loss carried, so it was joined 2 in 1. It was now 2 in 1 joint. So guys, that was literally how my hair was done. You can see my stylist is applying some hair products to my hair just to shine and make everything set in. It was very simple, guys. The hair is simple. You can style it anyhow you want. It's easy to pack. There's no they didn't need no wrapping, no sewing, no gum, just natural, guys. very easy, guys. You could decide to add some other product to make your hair more fine and beautiful, which I later did. I intended to do it at the salon, but they didn't have these carries. Yes, carries, they didn't have it, so I later bought it at another store when I got home, and I applied it myself. So guys, the hair is pretty much very easy to make, very beautiful. It's lightweight, it's not heavy at all, guys. This hair is not heavy at all. No matter the length you want it, it's not heavy, it's very light, guys. You can easily pack it. So guys, thank you very much for watching this. See how I'm slaying my hair, guys. See you in my